Welcome to the channel Movies 360 Kill Count, where we count all the kills and deaths in a movie. I'm Arut, and today we are looking at movie Thanksgiving, released in 2023, directed by Eli Roth and written by Jeff Randall and Eli Roth. Thanksgiving is a horror comedy slasher movie in which we see, after a Black Friday riot ends in tragedy, a mysterious Thanksgiving-inspired killer terrorizes a town, picking off residents one by one. What begins as random revenge killings are soon revealed to be a part of a larger, sinister holiday plan. Will the town uncover the killer and survive the holidays, or become guests at his twisted holiday dinner table? Now let's see the kills and deaths of movie Thanksgiving, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We see teens try to get into the store before it actually opens. Outside, the mob of customers grows unruly, instigating a riot as they see the other teens inside and demand to be let in. The teens then see the chaos unraveling, with people being pressed against the cracking glass doors. The moment the doors break, a stampede of customers bursts in, with one security guard named Dog being trampled to death, and another customer gets his neck slashed by broken glass. Amanda, who had shown up to deliver something to Mitch, gets knocked over and has her head slammed by a shopping cart, which then gruesomely scalps her. Mitch finds his wife's body and cradles her in despair, and the madness ends after Newland fires a shot into the ceiling. After air at night, waitress Lizzie, who was at the Black Friday riot and was the one holding the cart that killed Amanda, is closing up shop for the night. A killer wearing a John Carver mask then attacks Lizzie, slashing her palm and then dunking her head into a sink full of water before sticking her to the frozen freezer door. Lizzie rips her skin off to escape and is unable to call for help. When she tries to retreat to her car, she finds that John Carver has already taken her keys and tries to run her over. Lizzie tries to hop inside a dumpster, only for John Carver to slam into it, causing the cover to come down and cut Lizzie in half. A security guard named Manny, who ran away as the riot began, is getting ready to go on vacation when he hears a noise in his house. Although he tries to come off his stuff, he is impaled in the stomach with an electric mixer by John Carver, who then wraps a garrote around his neck and uses it to decapitate Manny. John Carver then stalks Looney and his girlfriend Amy, who was with him during the riot. Amy tries to show off her skills on the trampoline for Looney, but John Carver sneaks up behind him and twists his neck backwards. As Amy keeps jumping, John Carver sticks a knife from under the trampoline, causing her foot to get stabbed before she falls and is fatally stabbed through the neck and back. We then shift to Yulia's house, where Yulia is in a room decorating herself, when suddenly John Carver appears and stabs both of Yulia's ears. He then shows Yulia's condition to Scuba and Jessica, causing panic. They rush to save Yulia. Upon arrival, Scuba and Jessica find Yulia under John's threat. John Carver starts cutting machine, which ends up killing Yulia. The police decide to lure out John Carver during the Thanksgiving parade, with Jessica and her family plus Scuba being made to participate since John Carver is specifically targeting them. After a brief protest from Mitch, John Carver comes out in a creepy clown costume and decapitates a turkey mascot before throwing smoke bombs into the crowd. As everyone runs in a panic, John Carver manages to abduct Scuba and the rides. Afterward, Kathleen realizes she is now in John's presence, who intends to cook her. Despite her fear, Kathleen tries to stay calm and pretends to be unconscious, seeking the right moment to escape. When John Carver returns to the room, he is upset to find Kathleen missing. Slowly, Kathleen sneaks away and successful in evading John Carver. Unfortunately, she is eventually discovered and recaptured. Subsequently, Kathleen finds herself inside an oven where she is cooked to death by John Carver. John Carver then brings her roasted corpse out to be horrified Thomas alongside Jessica, Scuba, Evan, and Gabby. Then he proceeds with the live broadcast and attempts to force them to eat the flesh. However, before they proceed, John Carver wants to show something to his audience by smashing Evan's head live on camera. Caught in the act, Neolon confesses to being the culprit. His motive is revenge for Amanda's death, and it is revealed that Neolon had a relationship with Amanda. At the end of the conversation, Jessica surprises Neolon by revealing that she has recorded his confession during the live broadcast. Naturally, Neolon becomes angry and attacks Jessica. Fortunately, Bobby arrives at the right moment to rescue Jessica, and they quickly leave the scene. Jessica briefly turns a gas cylinder to inflate the parade balloon. When they are about to leave using a car, Neolon manages to attach a wire from their car to a building's pole, preventing their car from moving. Jessica then takes a launcher and inserts some gunpowder. She waits for Neolon to walk near it before shooting the parade balloon, causing a massive explosion that engulfs Neolon in flames.